Good morning. Today on the bench we have this nice color Aiwa HS-PL55. This is also from Japanese special series, and what we can see already that there is some kind of residue on the pinch rollers, but I think this would be easy to clean. And also, narrow gap eject head is always a nice thing. I think we will have to a bit adjust the azimuth manually because those heads are fixed in place, but I think in the end we will get very good results with this device here. Straight away there is only one small indentation right here, otherwise device looks very nice. Maybe let's check it. Okay, straight away we have some signs of life. Let's maybe grab some cassette. And what do we have? Okay, so play. Okay, so he hesitates to play in one direction. And what do we have? Absolutely no sound. Only some high-pitched sound is audible. So most likely we'll have to change those capacitors. Okay, so let's then start repeating process. So straight away what we can see, all of the capacitors are filled. So lots of cleaning and so on and so forth would be needed. Okay, and yeah, this is electrolyte, not something else. Okay, so let me lift the PCB and we will look what kind of situation actually we have. And oh well, you already can see that all the caps are leaked. Okay, so right now, as always, you know what I will be doing. So I will remove those capacitors, I will deeply clean the board outside, and then I will solder new capacitors in. So I'll be back when I'll finish doing cleaning process before soldering new capacitors. So till then. Okay, so I'm back from deep cleaning. Also, I have prepared all necessary capacitors, but before soldering everything, I have checked also the tracks and they are fine. Now I'll do switches lubrication and contact cleaning also. This is not only for potentiometers, but it is actually designed for potentiometers, but also cleans very good those switches. Move a bit. Actually, when I was checking that high-pitched sound was not crackling, so potentiometer seems to be okay, but because we are trying to do as best everything as we can, we are doing that kind of procedure for cleaning those. Okay, and right now we will just solder new components. So this is not very interesting procedure of me doing that soldering, so I'll be back after I'll finish soldering. So till then. Okay, so all capacitors are soldered and they are nice shiny and new ones. So right now we will do service for this transport. I think you've seen that already lots of time, so I will do it very quickly, and maybe I will do the video about it, but we will see. Okay, so let's do this part then. We have to a bit move that yet like this, because right now it sits a bit lifted into that position and it should be straight. Okay, so let's try to do that. Okay, this part you know perfect, so I'll just do everything and I'll be back after I'll finish it. Okay, so I have finished with mechanical part. Right now I'm just gonna solder everything back together. Okay. Okay. Joints are nice and shiny. So what we can do right now, we can do small testing. Okay, so mechanically it looks like it's working. So it's working. Yeah, awesome. So let's continue with other jobs. Yeah. So in this case, let's put in back the door. Good. Maybe let's put this inside. And now we can use battery cartridge. Okay, so 1 second and I'll be back. I will prepare tape speed adjusting. Okay, so let's check tape speed on one flutter. Good. Now let's grab potentiometer for these devices are right here. And let's start. So we are tying a bit too fast. Let's see what do we have in another direction. Also tying a bit too fast. So let's adjust them. Okay, so let's continue adjusting. I had a call. So let's start. Okay, so in one direction we have something like this, yeah? What do we have in another direction? So I think I will leave it like this, and it will be just perfectly fine. So this is it. Right now I'm gonna check Dolby levels, and then we will fully assemble device and we will try it with some music as always. So let me prepare for Dolby levels check, and I'll be back soon. Okay, so right now let's check Dolby levels. So let's put in Dolby cassette. Yes, this one. Good, and Dolby levels for this device is right over here. So we have right channel, we have left channel. Yes, as I can see. Ground is over here, but I think ground we can use from this point also. Yeah. Okay, so let's check. So it's just tiny bit. Oh, 101, 102, and also 101, 102. Yeah. So that's pretty much very nice. Okay, so let's check another direction. One or two. And okay, so these are 102, 102, and it's in the margin of service manual, so that's just very perfect. Okay, so right now, since Dolby levels are checked, now we can just fix those wires a bit, and we can assemble the device and test with some music. So till then, so let's do assembly. Good, so right now we can do device testing. But as always, before that, let's do tape head demagnetizing. Okay. do cleaning for the tape head. And also we can clean capstans. Okay. Okay, so final part, let's do testing. And let's put in some cassette. And okay, so device plays perfectly fine. Rewind, fast forward, everything works just fine. So this is it for this nice unusual color, as I can say, Aiwa HS-PL55. So I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel, and as always, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.